What's good, what's good, what's good? Today I'm putting the exhaust on. The car's already been up. Alright, so I got some good news. I got some better news. That I have officially got my exhaust off. So you can see here's the big Y pipe where it goes into the dual exhaust up top, obviously you can see. All the way down to the cat underneath. And I got the mufflers off and all of that fun stuff. So now this was actually really hard to get that to get the hanger off of the actual exhaust. Not the muffler hangers, but the actual exhaust hanger. That was hard. Simply just because it had this little right here on it nipple. So I had to use a trampoline spring tool. Got me enough leverage to literally pull it, and then I can get the nipple out of the hanger. And then basically I'm just going to give you an example. So here's the hanger. All I did was do something like this, just on the outside piece, pull to where it would somewhat go, the nipple would go inside of it, and then I just use my leverage to get it out. So now, as you can see, we have no muffler. This is where the fat ass muffler stitch is, right here. And then of course it runs all the way down to right there. You can see the inlet right there. So now I'm gonna go back up there because this is where we have to start, and I'm gonna get the exhaust started there and get it coming back. So
3 hours later.
Alright guys, we're done. Finally. What the hell? Back up. There we go. I'm not very big mechanic. Oh, by the way, how y'all like my haircut? Cut my shit off. No more dreads. Anyways, so I'm not really a mechanic at all, but I'm gonna stop getting pissed off at mechanics when stuff takes longer if I ever take it, because I just messed up. I mean, I didn't mean to mess up. I got it on. I'll go in there and show you, but it took me probably an extra hour for all the small shit that was messed up. So like, I put one of the pipes on backwards underneath here, so I had to turn that around. I actually got up. I was like off to fabricate it, but I put it on backwards. The hanger took me about 20 minutes to figure out, so because I didn't have the right tools. So there's a lot of stuff that I didn't do, or I did, but I mean it took a little bit of time. So now we're done. Let me get under here and show you what it looks like from underneath the car, and then show you what it looks like from behind the car. And we're gonna start this thing up and see how it sounds. So as you guys see, this is what it looks like. So here's basically the resonator. Subaru's what the hell are you at? Right there, resonator. So the catback exhaust started there, and it goes all the way down, obviously, as one, until it gets the single exit out there on the right side. So let me try to tighten this one real quick, because I don't want any exhaust leaks, even like starting up. So let me get this started real quick, and we'll show you how it sounds. This car hasn't been started all day, so it's going to be a true cold start. It hasn't been started all night. So once I get this all tightened up, we'll be set. Boy, look at that motherfucker.
I don't wanna die too young, yeah, too young. Yeah, too young.
So good thing is I don't smell, or not smell. I don't hear any leaks. The bad part is there's a little bit of a like rattling. I don't know if that's from the bolts not being tight, or if that's from the silencer bolts. How if you look at the very end of the exhaust, like the exit part, there is little bolts that are kind of there. I don't know if it's that. So we're gonna see. But thank y'all for watching. Hope that gave you guys some information. I know I wasn't under there that much with the actual idea of what to do, but it's pretty self-explanatory, honestly. It comes with all the hardware. You're gonna have 2 gaskets. The 2 gaskets go on the mid pipe. Well, it's not necessarily the mid pipe, but in this, because you get three pieces of exhaust pipe. The middle pipe, you're gonna put one on the inside for the where it comes out from the downpipe or from the resonator. So the end pipe, and then the back pipe where it goes to the exit. Pretty simple.
3 hours later.
I did a quick little modification. Oh, focus real quick. There we go. Okay, did a quick little modification. So basically I just took the silencer out because that thing was really annoying. I did not like it. And I realized that's why it was so quiet. Oh yeah.
Hello, love. I know your deal, and I know you could get me killed. You could get me killed.
Man, that is so much better. I'm so happy I took that silencer out because that was annoying to see that it was only a little bit louder. But now, this is what I'm more looking for, more of the Subaru sound. So for $161, $160.99 with DNA Motoring. This is actually the Pro Tuning Lab. You can have a little bit of a deeper, more aggressive sound for budget, very budget, catback exhaust. And it's not too loud in here with the windows closed either, but with that little bit of a change, you can have a big sound difference, 160 bucks.
I need to know, are you?
Talk about it. Alrighty, y'all. Y'all have a good day.